Hi kids, today we will learn alphabet.
A.
Let's get started.
A is in.
Acorn.
A is in.
Apple.
A is in.
Airplane.
A is in.
Asparagus.
A is in.
Angel.
A is in.
Alligator.
A is in.
Apricot.
A is in.
Alpaca.
A is in.
Alarm.
A is in.
Axe.
A is in.
Animal.
A is in.
Albatross.
A is in.
Acoustic guitar.
A is in.
Almond.